Today, I'm going to show you how to change the user agent in Firefox, using a simple extension, step by step. This is useful if you want to test websites, view pages as a different browser, or troubleshoot how a site responds on your device. It only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the entire process clearly from start to finish. If this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens the main Firefox menu. From there, click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox add-ons page, where you can browse and install browser extensions. Once the Extensions and Themes page opens, look for the search bar and click inside it. Now type User Agent Switcher into the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. Firefox will show you the matching extension in the results. When you see Preview of User Agent Switcher, click on it to open the Extensions page. On that page, you'll see an option that says Add to Firefox. Click that button to begin the installation. Firefox may ask you to confirm the permissions the extension needs, so click Add again to approve it. After the extension has been installed, look at the top right corner of Firefox again. You should see a puzzle piece icon, which is the Extensions button. Click that puzzle icon to view your installed extensions. From the list, click Preview of User Agent Switcher. Now the extension menu will open, and you can select the user agent you want to use. Depending on the options available, you can choose a different browser, operating system, or device profile. Once you select the one you want, the extension will apply that user agent to your browser session. At this point, Firefox should now behave as though it's using the user agent you selected. That means websites may load differently based on the browser identity you've chosen, which is perfect for testing or compatibility checks. And that's it. You've now changed the user agent in Firefox using Preview of User Agent Switcher. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.